So, if you've ever been on any online forums and watched people communicate in writing online, you will know that there are people who pay attention to these conversations, and they take great delight in attacking what the people are saying based on how they say it. In particular, they take great delight in pointing out the misuse of words. Homonyms, for example, words that sound the same but have different spellings or different meanings. Two, and two, for example. TOO means also. TO and TWO also have completely different meanings. And when you misuse words, the biggest problem is not that the meaning of what you are saying is lost. Often what you are saying can be communicated to the people you're communicating with. The problem is that the people who you're communicating with are distracted by your misuse of these words, by your word choice. When you are writing, your object is to communicate as clearly as possible your meaning to your audience. And when you put in the wrong form of your, for example, you use the conjunction you are instead of your, the possessive form of you, in a piece of writing, it can throw off your readers, and it can cast some doubt onto onto the thing that you're trying to say. It's not logical. What you're saying does not change. The validity of what you're saying does not change based on the correct use of the words that you say. However, human beings are mortal, and we are affected by how you communicate your message. If you're advertising something and you say, you use the improper form of your, for example, come and get your massage here, and you say, come and get YOU''RE massage here, you're going to drive clients away. It would not be a good thing. Your texts in chapters 30, 31, 32 cover quite nicely word choice, picking out which words work best under which circumstances. According to some recent research, students and writers, younger students and writers, have had more practice adapting their word choices to the situation. We talked in our last section a little bit about code switching between and switching our language between formal situations and informal situations. We want to make sure that we use slang and we use creative language properly. If we're in a formal writing situation, we don't want to go, dude, it totally is awesome about these words. If I were to come on and start talking as I might if I was speaking to friends, your opinion about what the things I was saying would be radically different. Totally radically different, dude. Instead, if one uses more formal language, one assumes that has a different opinion, a different attitude about the content that one's portraying. Even the use of the word one there, instead of influences the meaning. The main point I'm trying to make in this section. As you're going through chapters 30, 31, 32, it's not a matter of right or wrong. It can be perfectly legitimate to say, I'm totally bummed out by the events of the last few weeks. Your job as a writer is to pick the best words for the situation. Find words that most effectively communicate to your audience. Thank you.